The universe is full of wonders. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, every corner of the cosmos holds something extraordinary. It's a vast expanse that has fascinated humanity for centuries. We have stars, planets, and galaxies. Each celestial body tells a story of creation, evolution, and the intricate dance of gravity. The planets orbit their stars, creating a cosmic ballet that has been ongoing for billions of years, and now, we have artificial intelligence. This new frontier is as exciting as the discovery of new planets. AI is a creation of human ingenuity, designed to mimic and even surpass certain aspects of human intelligence. AI is changing our world. From smart cities to advanced healthcare, AI is integrating into our daily lives, making processes more efficient and opening up new possibilities we never imagined. It's like having a powerful tool. This tool can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, recognize patterns, and make decisions with incredible speed and accuracy. This tool helps us do amazing things. From creating art to solving complex problems, AI is enhancing our capabilities and pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. One of these amazing things is video creation. With AI, the process of making videos has become more intuitive and accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skills. AI is making videos smarter. It can suggest edits, enhance visuals, and even generate content, making the creative process smoother and more efficient. It's making them easier to create too. You no longer need to spend hours learning complex software or hiring a team of experts. AI tools simplify the process, allowing you to focus on your vision. Imagine creating videos without needing a big crew or expensive equipment. With AI, you can produce high-quality content from the comfort of your home or office. That's the power of AI. It democratizes technology, putting powerful tools in the hands of everyone, from seasoned professionals to enthusiastic beginners. In this vast universe of information, AI videos are like new stars. They shine brightly, capturing attention and conveying messages in innovative ways. They are bright and exciting. Each AI-generated video is a testament to the creativity and potential of this technology, offering fresh perspectives and engaging content. They offer a new way to share stories and knowledge. And the best part? These tools are designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to start creating. You don't need to be a rocket scientist to create them, so buckle up. The journey into the world of AI video creation is just beginning, and it's open to everyone. Get ready to explore the exciting world of AI videos. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or just someone with a story to tell, AI is here to help you bring your ideas to life. This journey will be full of discovery. Embrace the possibilities, experiment with the tools, and see where your creativity can take you in this new era of AI-powered video creation. What exactly are AI videos? Think of them as videos with a sprinkle of magic. This magic is AI. AI can generate visuals, create voices, and even write scripts. It's like having an entire film crew powered by a computer. AI videos are used in many ways. Businesses use them for marketing, educators use them for teaching, even artists use them for creative projects. The possibilities are as limitless as the universe itself. Why are AI videos important? They make video creation easier. This means more people can share their stories. They also offer new ways to learn and be entertained. AI videos are changing the way we see the world. Ready to start your AI video adventure? Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, the world of AI video creation is more accessible than ever. You might think you need expensive software or advanced technical skills, but that's not the case at all. You don't need a spaceship or a time machine. The tools you need are right at your fingertips, available online for free. There are many free tools available online. These tools are designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to dive into the world of AI video creation without a steep learning curve. These tools are easy to use. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. With intuitive interfaces and helpful tutorials, you'll be creating stunning videos in no time. They can help you create amazing videos. Some popular tools include Pictory.ai-. This tool turns text into videos. Imagine transforming your blog posts, articles, or even social media updates into engaging video content with just a few clicks. It's perfect for creating quick explainer videos or social media content. Whether you need a short video to explain a concept or a catchy clip for your social media channels, Pictory.ai has got you covered. Synthesia.io-. This tool creates videos with AI avatars. These avatars can be customized to match your brand's personality, making your videos more relatable and engaging. Choose from a variety of avatars. You can select an avatar that best represents your message and audience. Make them speak your script. Simply type in your script, and the AI avatar will deliver it in a natural, human-like manner. Lumen 5. This tool uses AI to transform blog posts and articles into engaging videos. It's a fantastic way to repurpose your written content and reach a wider audience. It's great for content creators. If you have a blog or a website, Lumen 5 can help you turn your existing content into dynamic videos that capture attention. These are just a few of the many free tools out there. The internet is full of resources that can help you create professional quality videos without breaking the bank. Each tool has its own strengths. Some are better for quick edits, while others offer more advanced features for detailed customization. Experiment and find the ones that work best for you. The key is to try out different tools and see which ones fit your needs and workflow. Happy creating! Creating your first AI video is easier than you think. With the right tools and a bit of guidance, you'll be on your way to producing engaging content in no time. Just follow these simple steps. 1. Choose your tool. There are many AI video creation tools available online, each with its own unique features and capabilities. Select a free AI video creation tool. Some popular options include Lumen 5, Animoto, and InVideo. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and a variety of templates to get you started. Each tool has a different process. Take some time to explore the features and see which one aligns best with your project needs. Choose one that suits your needs. 2. Write your script. A well-written script is the backbone of any good video. Write a clear and concise script. Make sure your message is easy to understand and engaging for your audience. This is what your AI avatar will say or what your video will be about. 3. Input your script. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your video. Paste your script into the chosen tool. Most platforms have a straightforward text box where you can easily input your script. Most tools have a simple text box for this. 4. Customize your video. This is where you can get creative and make your video stand out. Select your avatar, background, music, and other elements. Many tools offer a wide range of customization options to help you create a unique and engaging video. Make your video visually appealing. 5. Generate and download. Once you're happy with your customizations, it's time to let the AI work its magic. Let the AI do its magic. The tool will process your inputs and generate a video based on your script and customizations. Once the video is ready, download it. Most platforms will provide you with a download link or button. Now you can share it with the world. Whether it's for social media, a presentation, or a personal project, your AI video is ready to be showcased. Remember, your first video doesn't have to be perfect. The key is to learn and improve with each project. The most important thing is to start creating. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with the process. Happy video making! Section 5. Level up your videos, exploring advanced AI tools, but still free. Once you've mastered the basics, you can explore more advanced tools. These tools offer even more creative possibilities. DID. This tool animates faces and images. Bring your photos to life. Create talking head videos with just a still image. V.io-. This tool offers AI-powered features like automatic subtitles and background removal. These features make your videos more professional. Don't be afraid to experiment with different tools and features. The more you explore, the more amazing your videos will become. Section 6. The power of AI videos benefits across the universe. AI videos are like telescopes. They help us see the world in new ways. They offer many benefits. Time-saving AI automates the video creation process. This saves you time and effort. You can focus on other important tasks. Cost-effective free AI tools make video creation accessible to everyone. You don't need a big budget to create high-quality videos. Increased engagement AI videos are often more engaging than traditional videos. They can capture attention and deliver information effectively. These benefits make AI videos a powerful tool for communication, education, and entertainment. Section 7. Creating engaging AI videos. Tips from the cosmos. Creating an AI video is easy, but creating an engaging one requires some thought. Here are a few tips. Keep it short and sweet. Attention spans are short. Keep your videos concise and to the point. Use visuals wisely. Visuals are powerful. Use high-quality images and videos that complement your message. Tell a story. Everyone loves a good story. Use your video to tell a story that resonates with your audience. By following these tips, you can create AI videos that are both informative and entertaining. That's Section 8. The future of AI videos. A glimpse into the unknown. The world of AI is constantly evolving. New tools and technologies are emerging all the time. The future of AI videos is bright. Imagine a future where AI can create realistic three-dimensional environments for your videos, or where it can generate entire videos from just a few keywords. These possibilities might seem like science fiction, but they could become reality sooner than we think. Section 9. Embrace the AI video revolution. The AI video revolution is here. It's time to embrace this new technology and explore its potential. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn, and create. Who knows? You might just create the next viral AI video. Remember, the universe is full of possibilities, and with AI, those possibilities are becoming even greater.